How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can pause at a specific layer height in Elegoo Slicer. Basically, this is extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to simply finish up with the model that you were designing. Now from here, I'm fine with this one. Just click on the slice plate option at the top corner of your screen, and then it will then process the model right here. Now, if you want to add a pause on a specific layer height, you want to do that by navigating through the layer height first, which is by using this progression bar. So let's say that we want to add a pause around 50 seconds or around 50% of my model, which will be at this certain part right here. So you want to right click on the progress bar that you have navigated into, and then we have options to add pause, jump to layer, and more. Simply click on add pause. It will indicate a pause on that specific layer. You can add multiple pauses if you want to, and basically from there you're good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.